Hi, it's Nkechi from the Vent. So today I'll be showing you how to make this cute, unique fascinator. It's a Ankara rose with a pleated crinoline base. Now, if you notice, you can wear it in two different ways. It can be standing up, and you can also make it to lie down and form this lovely, cute fascinator. Let's dive in. Okay, we'll be needing uhu gum, pieces of Ankara material. We'll be making use also of Ankara rose, which I've already made. If you want to learn how to make this, you can actually check the description below and join the Vent Craft Academy reception. We'll get to give you details there. Then we need our pleated crinoline that's already been lined with bias. You check the description up to know how to do that in the video up. Then circular objects, we need our elastic band, measurement tape, needle and thread, and scissors. Okay, so now I'm measuring the pleated crinoline to know the measurement that I'm using. I actually saw this in my collection. I didn't just do it now. It's 25 inches, so that's why I'm measuring it. If you notice, I measured the part that was not sewn with bias. That's actually the part that would give you the true measurement. So that is 25. So what I used here was 25. So the first thing you do is to gather the edges, to sew the edges together like I'm doing. So I'm going to do it on both sides, but right now I'll just show you one side how to do it in case it's your first time of seeing us do that. So I'll do that on one side showing you, but it's going to be done on the two sides. Thank you. Watch and learn. Next step is to sew. You can see I've done the two edges. So the next step is to sew running stitches from one side to the other side. Below that, you're going to be sewing it on that part that you did not sew the bias to. We're going to be doing it all the way down. So the next thing you do is squeeze your crinoline. You squeeze it like so. Yes, so that a pleated crinoline is squeezed. And the next thing, we're going to turn it around to form like a circle. Place it on top of the Ankara. You turn the rose the other way around, and you place as in the back is the back that we're sewing the pleated crinoline to. So we're sewing to the back of the Ankara rose. So watch as I sew it. While you're watching, please could you take some time and click the subscribe button? Yes, that's if you've not subscribed before. Please do subscribe, and also ensure that you click the bell button to ensure that you get notified of any new videos I put up. Then also, if you have enjoyed it so far, please do click the thumbs up button. Let me know you have enjoyed this video. Thank you. Now remember, if you do not know how to sew the the bias to the crinoline, I already have a video I've made on that, so you could check the link up. Thank you very much. Okay, next we're going to take our elastic band and sew it. There's a joining there, so you're going to sew it round the joining so it doesn't tear at all. So we're going to be sewing it round the joining in the middle of the fascinator. Now you can make use of a clip, you could make use of Alice band, but I decided to make use of elastic band. Now when you use elastic band, the advantage it has over just the Alice band is that you can place it anyhow on your head and it holds and doesn't fall and can be used on any style of hair. That's the advantage it has over the Alice band. While you're still watching, if you want to get to know about all the trainings that are ongoing on the in the Vent Craft Academy, if you check the description link below, you would see a link that would direct you to our reception, and there you will get to know all trainings coming up in the Vent Craft Academy. Thank you. Now the next thing is to cut out our circular piece that we're going to use to cover. So it's been cut and the edge is burnt. Now I'm going to apply uhu gum on the back of it and place it on top. Now I'm also going to use uhu gum on the sides of the elastic band, so that it will hold down. And that's it. Check it out. This is it opened up, and this is it lying down. Ain't it looking so cute that you have a fascinator you can wear in 2 different ways? And also it could be on top, even up like that, different sides. You can just turn your elastic band anyhow you want it.